Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I'm Mughal here. This is a broken handle of a pressure cooker, and this one is a handmade wooden handle I have made. Look at this. Is it awesome? These are screws, pieces that I have cut it out. I'm gonna fix this like that. Look at this. I have used some extra screws, not these. Tell me which one you like the most, new one or old one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.